go back to binarytools.io and we can upload the manual board here. Okay, yeah, so I will upload the manual board here. I will use HL manual board, this one. Let's use this one. I'm going to change the volatility. I just want to use volatility 25, trading high and lows. The barriers, I'm going to use 0.47. These barriers will be able to find in the Live Smart Trader here, okay, in the Live broker website here, okay. So you can choose the volatility, you can put high and lows, and then put the ticks, put the stake you want, check the profit which you want to make for every stake you want, change the barrier here depending the way you want that barrier to be. So for now here I will use 0.7. I'm going to use $1 to trade, just like you see it here. I tell you that I'm trading like I have a $10 account, okay. So $1 and take profit, we say that we need 0.3 per session, and stop loss will be $1. If it's $1, I like to put 0.99, okay, yeah. And martingale system, I'm going to use 1 compounding levels, and martingale I will not use it. I will use 0. I will not trade with the martingale, and other these things I'm going to leave it just like that. I need to make sure here down before I start trading on a condition error. Error is, it means lower. On a lower, the barrier must be positive, just like that. And since we have changed above here, since we have changed this one also here, sometimes things will be like this barrier will be out from the this block, okay. So you need to bring them back just like this, okay, yeah. Make sure on a arrow which is lower to be positive, and for H which is higher to be a negative. That is really important. Make sure the ticks if are the same which you want to trade from that barrier, and then go to step 2 here. Make sure on an arrow it must be lower before you start trading. This is really important to check, okay, if it's lower, and also for H if it's higher. That's really important. You can see everything's okay. So for bot here we have finished. The next thing we can just go to operation. In operation here now, what we do is we can design this preset the way we like, and we can just do that by just clicking here on this edit legend, and you can click here add a account, and I mean add a panel, and you will see there's a lot of things to add. Even candlesticks is here, so if we click OK, it will be added simple just like this. If you click on this one, you'll be able to see ticks, counter ticks, even in all the tools, last trading starts, and so much more here, okay. Even boom, we'll be able to see them here. But for me today, I don't want to use all of this. So when you finish, you can just do like this. You can see they are not moving. So if you refresh, everything will be back to normal. Sometimes this is happening. You just need to refresh the page, and then everything will be back to normal, okay. I hope you understand me. The video is taking too long, but no problem. We're going to use this. Will be a part 2 video, I think. Yeah. So you can see now they are back. We already changed the design here. So this is how you can design, and you can use these layout the way you want. But for today, I just want to show you a very quickly way for you to changing this, because I already created and I have saved it. So what you need to do, you just need to upload it again here. So I will click here on load a preset, click upload, then I will click load a preset, and I'm going to find my preset. It's just like a bot, but it's a preset which will change that design. You can see we have this one, higher H arrow preset. I can upload it just like that, and it will be changing everything automatically. So for those who do not know how to create it, you can just upload your preset from here, and everything will be changed and become like mine here. So now we have a candlesticks. All we need to do is to maximize, and also here we have a trade, okay. Make sure on a trade here there is something here must be unlocked. If you lock this, it means it will not allow you to trade anything here. You need to unlock it so that you can be able to trade. This is really important. Also, we have this block here, this icon here. This is for those who want to sell the market. When the market is maybe you purchase the entry for 5 minutes and then you see that you're already in profit, you can just click here and take your profits, just like you are selling it. You are sell off the market. You take your profit, or you see it goes to a loss, then you can click this button to accept that small loss instead of waiting for a big loss. You can use this one. Okay, yeah. And also we have this one. This is for to pause. This is a purchase off or purchase on. Okay, so when you see this dot is a green, it means the purchase is on. If you click it just like that, it means you'll be able to stop the bot. Or even if you are using automatic bot, if you click this, it means it's just like you are pausing the bot to not trade. So you may see maybe the market is bad and you are using automatic bot and you don't want to continue trading using that martingale on that bad time. You can just come here and click immediately this one to become red. That means the bot will not open an entry until you agree again for the bot to continue. So this is just a pause and continue. Okay, yeah. And also we have this one. This is synchronize, auto synchronize. If it's on like this, it means the stake amount, everything, the money management will follow from your bot. But if you remove like this, it means the money management you will need to put manual here. It will appear here when I press a play button. You will need to put the stake manual, everything manual. It will not follow the money management from this one. I hope you have understand. So now let's start here. Okay, you can see we already have a candlesticks here. Also, let's put it on. We already have a candlesticks here, and today we are going to trade in a volatility 25. Make sure also the one which we analyze here must be a volatility 25. Okay, yeah, I'm going to change it to 1 minute, and I'm going to use a indicator here. There is one indicator which I love so much, is super trend. Okay, this super trend. Just click it, it will be added automatically here, just like you see. So this one is going to show us if the market for that time is strong downward or market at that time is strong upward. You can see there is a green line here. I hope you can see it. Green line. This indicates that for now market is moving up, and when you see the red one, it means it indicates that the market may going down. It means like a short downtrend, a short downtrend, or a up down trade for this green one. I hope you understand me. So now you need for these laws for you to trade and taking the entry. Okay, if the line is of this super trend is green, that means you will only trade for a higher option, or you can say call option. Only call option you're going to trade when you see this is a green one. Okay, but you're going to trade lower option if you see this super trend, it's showing you a red one. So do anything you do, but you need to find the best signals for a lower option if the line of this super trend is red, just like that. Okay, I hope you understand me. So now what we do, we can just jump here and start analyzing so that we can just only have those 3 trades and learn away from the market and waiting for another session. You can see how easy due to those barriers, very easy to make profit. All you need is to enter on the best area. You can see I cannot move this, so I need to go on these price numbers. You can just do like this, just a little bit, and then you see you are able to move the candlesticks around. So now let's analyze the market by watching the candle history, because this size of candle may tell you everything is going on in the market. You can see the market is here, and the super trend, it tells us that we need opportunity to sell. But if you see a strong move like this, these 2 candles, you can see are very strong candles. If you see this strong move on going on the direction which you are not expecting to go, this strong candle indicates that anything can happen, maybe a reverse one to happen here. So you need to make sure you trade on those small candle, and the best area for you to trade is resistance line. So lower option or put option is better to find the areas which having a resistance areas. Okay, those would be good for you to trade, and make sure the market will be weak on that area. That is really important. The market must be weak on those support areas, resistance areas, so that you can place a put option. And also make sure this super trend line must be a red one. That is really important. For a call option also, you need to trade on a support areas, and make sure this trend super trend must be a green one. Okay, really important. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, now the market is moving up, and we are not seeing weakness. You can see this candle still very strong, and also sometimes you can find some value gaps. For those who understand the value gaps, those order blocks, you can use them here directly. Yeah, for those who understand it, and I really create a video for that. You can just find it in the YouTube. But for now, I'm going to trade using support and resistance. Yeah, there's a different way for you to draw support and resistance. Different ways. You can just draw those support and resistance. Also, I can use the style of drawing 3 candles. You can just, I call it 3 candle strategy. There's a way for draw it, but I'm going to show you that in another video. For today, let's go just slowly. You can see this candle was trying, if we follow the historical data for this one, the candle was trying to go up but reject on this area and then go down. That means that this area, there are still some sellers on this area, and you can see many candles from here trying to go up but failed, tried to go up, failed, and this also tried to go up but failed, and you can see the wick is too big. So here there is something here on this area. Okay, so let's draw a line on that area. This one, yeah, you can see this one black, this one tried to go up, failed, tried to go up, failed, tried to go up, failed. Also this tried to go up and failed. And you can see the wick was going up all over here, so we can put on that wick here. Okay, yeah. So, and you can see there's some weakness here. Still there's some weakness here. It means the sellers still here, so we have opportunity to trade here. The market is not that strong going up, so we still have chances to trade for a lower option here. So what I will do, I will prepare my bot, I will run it, and it will tell me press arrow for a lower option, capital arrow for a lower option, or press H for a higher option. I will press that, and I can see the market is already on the zone. Let me check. Yeah, I can place a lower option here using $1. You can see this candle is on that zone. Okay, let's see what is gonna happen. Very risky because the market is moving up. It never rejects. Yeah, it's rejecting now. Yeah, it's rejecting again, and we have win. So the benefit of using barriers is just like now you see it here. The benefit of using barrier, you can see the candle was still going up, but we still win. Because of those barrier. We are using a very small profit here. Yeah, so the barrier is too big, it's too high for us to break it. That's why you see we still in the profit. But if it break, that means you'll be losing. You can see after this strong candle, also the super trend, it's changing the color and indicate that the market may change from a downtrend to a short uptrend. Okay, just like you see the arrows already appear here and the market moving down. So for now here, you will not take in trades for a put option, you will take trades for a higher option. And you can see also this trade was very risky, very risky. You can see that we almost lose this one. Okay, so now we are going to find opportunity to trade for a call option. So I stop the bot, and then I will learn again and press H for me to trade higher option. And you can see here the barrier will be negative automatic. Okay, so if I analyze this one, I can see this strong candle moving up and break this area, and also come to this area here. Also there was a strong support which was being breakout and then continue going up, and now it's been break again by this strong candle and become a new support here, because it was breaking out and become a resistance. Now it's been break by this candle and become a new support. Okay, so if this candle come to this area on this zone and create some rejection, then we'll be able to press a call option. As you can see, there's a lot of rejection here. So if this candle come down to touch this area and create some rejection, we can press a call option. If it doesn't create some rejection or showing some rejection, we can wait up to until it come to this area here or here, but especially this area, because I know the market will always come to this area to fill this gap from this strong candle. I know that the market will always come to fill this gap, so anytime it may happen. But let's try to find some opportunity on this zone if we see some rejection from the line we have drawing here. As you can see, the market, it's already touched. Let's see if there are some rejection. Okay, no rejection until now, and the market is continuing going down. Okay, there is a rejection. No rejection. Let's wait. It must be above the line, but you can see it look like it's already break. It's breaking that area, and the second is here. Moving. Okay, it's here black. So for now here, it will be risky for us to trade because you can trade the call option, but I can see this candle cross below the line. So the next candle, there is a high chances it may continue going down. And since we're saying that this candle creating a gap, so maybe this candle are just coming to this area to fill this gap and then continue going up. So for now, we need to be very, very careful. We should not trade. And you can see again this candle is moving down like crazy. So let's wait. Still there's some rejection to this area, this one which I have tell you here. You can see this candle try to break it, but goes up, try to go down, goes up. Simple, just like that. So for me, my target now to trade is this area, because I know the market will come and touch this area and create some weakness going up. But it depends the size of these candles and the speed of this candle, but I can see it creates some rejection. So if this candle coming down to this area, I will check the condition, then I will press a call option. This is totally manual trading. Manual trading. You need to know how to trade using these candlesticks, and I will try my best to find to explain to you the way you can analyze this using these candlesticks. Okay, so you can see the market now is moving down to this zone here, so that it's just a pullback. It's just coming here and then it continue going up. You can see here the candle was big, here was big, but it is still going. This candle still going be small because of that area. I still already touch this. There is a rejection. I press a call option. You can see the rejection how it appear on this zone. Okay, there's a big rejection. Why? Because of the purpose of this candle to come down here. It was to come to fill this gap and then continue going up. And you can see we have just win very, very easy. And I'm thinking we can check this candle how it close, and I think from here the market may continue going up. Let's see if it come again to this zone and create some rejection. I will open again a higher option. Okay, let's see. You can see on our sphering, you can just look the historical of this candle. Okay, the historical of this candle. This one, so we go up. I'll click call option because this one failed to break and close above it. So I'm thinking that for 5 ticks this candle will still going up and it's gonna give me a profit. You can see it rejecting from that line and made me making a profit, easy profit. Okay, and you can see for this session I just reached already, just make $0.3. You can see I have made it here 0.31, and I'm done for this session. Only 3 trades. So if I'm doing a copy trading, that means this will be added for any account which have joined me. This will be made for every account who has joined me, and I'm expecting some good profit at the end of the month. So for this profit is a little bit small, but I can show you some calculation for just only this session 1. If you made 0.1 for one, maybe 100 people, it means you'll be made $31. Okay, yeah, for $100 you'll be made $31 for every account today, now, by just making $0.3. If you have 100 people, it means they are already made $31 per day, only today. Okay, so let's do it this way, maybe we understand easier. 0.31, let's multiply to maybe we made this every day, only this session every day, maybe per 30 days you'll be made like $9. Okay, this 9, oh, okay, 0.31 minus, times 30 days, it will be this one times by 100 people. If you have, it means you'll be made this one for every people who have joined you, plus this, which will be your profit. So for this one, if you deduct 30%, it means you will multiply 30%, with percent here, and you'll be already made this kind of dollars, $279, which by just making this small amount of profit, my friend, in these 3 trades every day. If you are not using those 5 sessions, maybe you are using 1 session with this profit. By just making these 2 people, you'll be already yourself made per month this amount of money. This one, okay? This one. So what are you waiting for? This is easy, my friend. This is easy for Binary Tool. Binary Tool have created that for you to making some money, to give you reach. So assume you made $1 here. What will happen? Assume you have made that $1.50. Let me show you. Assume maybe today was a successful trade. We already made that target for today is $1.50. Then we multiply by 100 people. Or we can say let's do it for 30. For just today. Let's calculate for just today. Okay, 1.5 multiplied to 100 people. It means for today we'll be able to make $150. Okay, so only for today, if you want them to give you money, it means you multiply $150 multiply by 13%. That means you'll be already made $45 just today here by making $1.5 per session. So if you charge per day, it means you'll be already made that profit. Okay, yeah, so that's it, my friend, and that's it for today. I think the video is taking a lot of time here. It's taking a lot of time, so I'm going to stop. I have a lot of strategy, a lot of easy strategy I'm going to share to you so that you can make a good profit and you can become rich. For those who want this, remember to become a very good trader. Always have a goal to become a consistent trader, and when it comes you are a consistent trader, you will be able to make a lot of money here in binarytools.io. Don't give up, try your best, always practice, always do your best. Deposit real money, stop trading demo account, deposit real money, and then start practicing from real money, because there are some feelings when you're trading real money than demo account, because demo does not have feeling. You will not feel pain if you lose, but real account, if you lose, there is a big lesson you find it there, and that lesson is gonna change your life. Okay, so you need to start using your real account now. Deposit, even if it's $10, $100, $5, it doesn't matter. $1, oh, $1 is at least $10 from $10 above. Then try to use your money management. I'm going to give you that Excel sheet which I have shown you. Use your money management, be disciplined, and you will start seeing some changes for your life. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. I think I have talked too much today. We end up here. Thank you very much. See you next time. Don't forget subscribe, like, and also comment. Bye bye, my friend. See you then.